Hey guys, coming to you from another church here. I forgot this bell, right across from the one we were just at. This one is also believed to be a Manili Bell Foundry bell. Not exactly sure what year it was cast. Probably the same year as the one we were at. But anyway, there it is up in the tower. It's most likely another Manili Bell Foundry bell. This bell here is probably also cast around the same time as the other one, around the 1860s, 1870s. And this bell right here, I'm pretty sure they still use it. It looks as if the pulley is still intact on the bell. This beautiful bell is just a magnificent beauty, as I said. There you can see the pull wheel for it, which means it's completely original. Now this bell here was always a bit of a mystery to me, because I've never heard it ring. And of course there's a wasp's nest probably somewhere up there. Probably, you know, we don't want wasps. But yeah, this is the Baptist church bell here. So this is the other bell that I was this is the other bell I was wondering about. Zoom in on it here for you. Alright, I don't know what you guys can see it, but I'm going to try to focus on the information there. Alright, camera does not want to focus. There it is, right there. So there you go. I don't know how well you guys can read the info there on that bell, but I thought you guys might enjoy that. This is the second bell on our list today. So anyway guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get a picture of the information on that bell, and we'll update you guys in another video. Anyway, take care.